Today, we're diving into the history and specifications of the Jet2 Boeing 737-300, specifically G-GDFM. This beauty was delivered to Jet2 on February 2013 and has been in service ever since. Now, let's talk about the aircraft specs. The 737-300 is a short-haul airliner with a maximum capacity of up to 149 passengers. It has a wingspan of 34.3 meters and a length of 39.4 meters. This particular aircraft, G-GDFM, is powered by two CFM International 56-7B engines. Thanks for joining me on this fascinating journey into the world of aviation.